All right, to further discuss about augmented reality, the biggest challenge. What is the biggest challenge? Extremely high hardware cost. It can cost up to $3,000 for HoloLens. So solution is cheaper Android-based augmented reality glasses, for example, RealWear. And when it comes, another challenge is limited battery life and wireless charging built-in workbenches. The solution is to build wireless charging built-in workbenches. Next challenge is resistance from analog mechanics, and the solution is gamified augmented reality training. So naturally, analog mechanics who work on the engine hands-on, they will resist it. So the solution is to train those mechanics in this augmented reality. For example, BMW's augmented reality certification. All right, mechanics are getting trained in this augmented reality, and they are also getting certified. Now, when it comes to synergy, quantum plus augmented reality in the future workshop, the 2030 vision is quantum diagnostic predicts a transmission failure, augmented reality glasses guide the mechanic with 3D hologram of faulty clutch. And when it comes to remote quantum cloud, it verifies the repair in real time. It verifies the repair in real time. And companies leading the charge. Which are the various companies which are leading or which are carrying the baton of quantum and augmented reality? One is Quantum, D-Wave by Volkswagen, IBM for General Motors, Google Quantum Tools AI for Toyota, and also augmented reality Microsoft for Porsche, Bosch, Snap-on for McTech. All right. So to proceed further, conclusion is quantum diagnostics will enable atomic level precision in predicting failures, and augmented reality repairs every mechanic into an expert with X-ray vision. So with the help of X-ray vision, it can literally see the inside of the engine or a car. Together, they will create self-diagnosing and self-repairing vehicles. All right. Now, let's hypothetically study a speculative case study of 2035 quantum augmented reality repair scenario. Just imagine 2035, Tesla has come for an augmented reality repair. So what are the various steps that are going to happen? In the step number one, we are going to have a scenario overview, and the vehicle 2035 Tesla Model Z fully autonomous solid state battery, and issue is sudden 12% range drop, intermittent propulsion power reduced alert, and mileage is it's already covered 325,000 miles, mostly autonomous taxi service. Now these are the specifications of the engine to get a scenario overview. Now, when it comes to diagnostic phase, the first step is onboard quantum sensor detection. The vehicle's quantum grade battery health monitor detects anomalous ion migration patterns in battery module 7. In the module 7th battery, in the 7th module, there is some anomalous or abnormal ion migration. And with the help of this, it predicts the predictive algorithm calculates 88% probability of cell short circuit within 500 miles. All right. Now coming to the step two. Step two is cloud-based quantum simulation. So Tesla Q Cloud runs 1.2 million simulations in 3.7 seconds. And with the help of this many simulations, it models 27 failure pathways for solid state battery. And also it confirms 95% match with historic failure in Phoenix based taxis. Now we are assuming that this whole scenario is happening in a city called Phoenix. Now it also recommends replace module 7, inspect quantum stabilized electrolyte ports. All right. Now when it comes to step 3, automated parts logistics. So once this analysis is completed, immediately the supply chain is instigated or initiated. So blockchain enabled system orders self-healing battery module from a hypothetical Nevada gigafactory, and it schedules autonomous delivery via Tesla tunnel network. Just imagine by the time with the boring company had established throughout the United States, and with the help of Tesla tunnel truck, this self-heating healing battery module is transported, and it allocates a repair bay at Los Angeles Hyper Service Center. All right. Now, I'm sure all of you, as you are going through this, it may appear that this whole thing is a science fiction. But considering all the things that are happening in the world, this will not be a science fiction. It's just a matter of time before this science fiction becomes a reality. Next is augmented reality repair execution and technician preparation. And when it comes to augmented reality gear, the technician will put on a Tesla HoloVisor X, which includes holographic user interface and quantum compute link. Next, pre-repair scan. LiDAR confirms battery pack alignment and quantum sensors verify no residual current risk. Okay, so before the self-healing battery module which we ordered is installed, these are the small repair scans that need to happen inside the vehicle. Okay, we should ensure that there is no residual current risk. So when it comes to holographic guidance system, we will see what is the AR feature and also the application. So X-ray mode is, it shows exact failing cell cluster through the battery casing, and torque holograms, it will project the floating arrows for optimal bolt sequence. All right, I hope all of you know, okay, knows while tightening a cylinder head on a cylinder block, there is an optimum bolt sequence. You cannot randomly tighten the bolts. So likewise, even for tightening the bolts for this self-healing battery, there is a proper optimum bolt sequence. And when it comes to quantum assist, live feedback on electrolyte port pressure during live feedback on the electrolyte port pressure during disassembly. Okay, so as you disassemble the port, electrolyte pressure must be properly optimized. All right, so this is next step number 6. Coming to step number 6, next is remote expert calibration. So a Tokyo based battery specialist, somebody sitting in Tokyo, he with the help of it appears as 3D hologram beside the vehicle. One specialist will appear as a 3D hologram beside the vehicle and uses quantum encrypted gesture controls to highlight thermal weak points. And it approves recalibration of AI driven self repair nanofluids. All right, so he approves the recalibration. He signs on the document that this AI driven self repair nanofluids is required. Now, when it comes to post repair verification, quantum validation onboard quantum processor, it runs entanglement based integrity check on new model, and it also confirms 0.0001% deviation from factory specs. All right, so after the repair is happened, again further post repair verification is happen, and with the help of an onboard quantum processor, it hypothetically runs an entangle based integrity check of the new model and confirms that only 0.0001 deviation is happening from factory specs. So finally, the technician signs off using retinal scan authentication and holographic warranty seal. All right, again this warranty seal is stored in the blockchain. All right, so I hope all of you already saw a science fiction movie with the help of this speculative case study. But my dear friends, as an engineer, I personally believe that this science fiction movie which I just showed in front of you is not going to be science fiction. It's a matter of time it becomes a reality. Now, what are the results? And with the help of traditional when compared to traditional 2024 to quantum AR in 2035, what are all the various differences? What are the various differences in the time, differences in the accuracy? For example, in the 2024 diagnosis may take 2 to 3 hours, but in 2035 it may take, with the help of quantum AR, it may take only up to 11 seconds. Repair accuracy, when it comes to repair accuracy, 92% first time fix. But when it comes to repair accuracy of quantum AR, 99.997%, 99% is the accuracy that is achieved. When it comes to parts waste, only 15% over ordered, and when it comes to quantum AR, there is no wastage because precise ordering is happening. All right. And technician training, when it comes to technician training, 2 year certification is required. But when it comes to quantum AR, just a 6 week augmented reality immersion program is sufficient. So these are all the advantages that are foreseen in the future with the help of quantum augmented reality. Now, when it comes to emerging technologies showcased, quantum entanglement sensor first is detect electron level battery degradation. And when it comes to self-assembling nanofluids, automatical repair microfractures during operations, and holographic memory alloys, shape-shifting bolts that self-tighten at the exact torque. Okay, so in this hypothetical scenario, these are all the various kinds of technologies which we have showcased. All right, and also the human trust certified quantum mechanic license program. Latency is zero point 0.1 millisecond response via 7G vehicle cloud link, and also quantum decoherence. It is solved by onboard cryogenic stabilization. All right. So when it comes to, if you further hypothetically extrapolate our imagination to 2040, the situation will be fully autonomous repairs, robotic AR system performs repairs during wireless charging, and quantum teleportation maintenance, particle level component rebuilding without physical access. All right. So these are all the things that are speculated in the future. Thank you.